Hello everyone, my name is Hitanshi Kisharao Katre. I am the student of Standard 5th from Vivek Mandir CBSE School Gondia. I am very thankful to the dignitaries that cares of public safety associations and also bringing out these most relevant issues in limelight today. I am here to speak on very important topic, government scholarship scheme and its implementations. Education in most powerful tool transfer life. However, not every student is fortunate enough to afford quality education due to the financial problem. To bridge this gap, our government has introduced various scholarship schemes. These scholarships aim to support deserving and needy students so that lack of money does not become a barrier in their educational journey. The government provides scholarship at different levels, school, college, and universities. These are designed for students belonging to the economically weaker section, minority communities, scheduled caste, scheduled tribal, other backward classes, and well as for minority caste minority students. For example, schemes like the National Means Cum Merit Scholarship, Post Merit Scholarship, and Central Sector scheme have helped lack of students pursue higher studies. However, the success of the scheme lie not just in their announcement but in their implementations. Effective implementation required timely dispersals of funds, simple application process, proper awareness campaigns, and strict monitoring to prevent the corporations and managing digital platform like the National Scholarship portals are the step in the right direction, making many students, especially from rural area, are not fully aware of these opportunities. Sometimes delay and paperwork discourage then for along with launching the schemes, the government must ensure that information reach every corner of the country and that the process is remain student friendly. The education, if the implement effectively, it can empower millions of young minds and contribute to the nation's progress. After all, investing in students is the best investment for bright futures. In a short, if awareness in increased process are simple and fund reach student on time, then this scheme will truly fulfill their purpose of improving the youth. राजश्री छत्रपति साहू महाराज शिक्षण शुल्क शिक्षावृत्ति योजना Maharashtra 2025-26 is an initiative of the Directorate of Higher Education, Government of Maharashtra, to provide a financial assistance to students and the graduate and postgraduate level. The scholarship aims to support the student belonging to the economical weaker section categories in Maharashtra. Select student will receive up to 100% of occur with tuitions and exam fee. Thank you so much for listening me.